From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. Here it comes, the first major winter storm of the season set to move into Pennsylvania. In fact, it's already snowing in southern and southwestern portions of the state. The radar indicating snow as far north as Harrisburg, but it's already hitting the ground in places like Johnstown and Altoona. But heavier snow is down through the nation's capital, and all of this is going to be lifting north as we go through the course of the night. One way we can tell where it really is snowing is by taking a look at visibility, already down below a mile in Altoona and Johnstown, and that snow is going to gradually lift to the north as we head through the course of the evening hours. If you have any plans to travel this weekend to the south, it is going to be very difficult and dangerous, especially if you're heading south on 322, south on I-99, and toward the Baltimore-Washington area. Travel is going to be extremely difficult, if not impossible at times, tonight into the day tomorrow, as many locations in here see a foot to 2 feet of snow. In State College, it's a bit more difficult for us. We are going to be on the northwestern edge of the snow, so the question all along has been, how close does the very heaviest snow come to us? We're likely going to be very close to the edge of it, and if we can get into that, that would mean we would see heavier bursts of snow as we go through the day tomorrow. A blizzard warning's in effect for Baltimore, Washington, Philadelphia, and New York City through the day on Sunday. That due to the combination of the snow and wind. Closer to home is a winter storm warning from State College south to the Maryland border, including Harrisburg and York, and this goes until tomorrow night. In State College, because of the uncertainty in just how much snow we may see, because we are on the northern edge, it's a winter weather advisory through tomorrow afternoon, though if we start to get into some of those heavier snow bands, it's possible that may change. Not too much to speak of right now, just a lot of clouds here in Happy Valley. Temperature right now 21 degrees with a freshening northeasterly breeze. Everywhere it is cold statewide. It's 16 in Johnstown, and even through southeastern Pennsylvania, where the heaviest precipitation will be, it is in the 20s, ensuring this is mostly, if not all, snow, even for Philadelphia over the next 24 hours. So take a look at future weather. By 8 o'clock this evening, the leading edge of snow is into central parts of Center County, perhaps even reaching I-80 by that point. Then as we go through the overnight hours, we'll have bursts of snow on and off, varying intensity here in State College. This is midnight, and notice the darker blues along and south of the Turnpike. This is where we could have snow at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour tonight, and even some thunder snow in some locations. State College will be in and out of the bursts of snow through the overnight, but it's going to be quite difficult to travel even here in State College through tomorrow morning. This is 10 o'clock, and notice that by that point, the snow will start to break up and form some bands, and if those can rotate back into Center County, that would mean our highest opportunity for getting into the really heavy snow that would put us up over 6 or even 10 inches in parts of the county. By tomorrow evening, things start to wind down, but still east and south of State College, it's likely that heavy snow will continue at times even into tomorrow night before this all wraps up and pulls out by Sunday morning. So what we'll be left with? We know that we expect over a foot of snow from Harrisburg Point south. Some places will see over 2 feet. It becomes a bit more challenging closer to State College. If those bands can rotate back in and perhaps even kind of park themselves over the county, we'll certainly see in between 6 and 12 inches of snow. But right now we're leaning more toward the 3 to 6 and the 6 to 12. But understand, this is a very difficult forecast for us here. To the north, amounts will be less, and to the south, of course, that's where they'll be greatest. Blowing and drifting of the snow, another concern, with wind gusts well over 30 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon, perhaps gusting even over 40 in the areas that are in the blizzard warning near Philadelphia. So just a reminder what to expect. The snow develops overnight, heaviest to our south, but some of the heavier snow could creep its way into Center County, and if it does, that would give us the opportunity for over 6 inches of snow. 7-day forecast shows it's mostly sunny Sunday, quieter into early next week, and then it's a weak disturbance that could bring us a few mixed rain or snow showers by Tuesday of next week. That is our very latest forecast for right now. Please stay with us through the course of the weekend for important updates on this storm as it moves into the area.